In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack to communicate and collaborate with your team efficiently. Slack is a workplace messaging tool designed to keep conversations organized, searchable, and easy to manage. If you're new to it, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand the core features you need to start using it confidently in your day-to-day work. To get started, set up your account. You can either download the Slack app on your computer or mobile device, or go directly to Slack in your web browser. From there, sign in using your work email or accept the invitation link that your team administrator has sent you. Once you're logged in, you'll be connected to your team's workspace and ready to begin. Next, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the sidebar. This is one of the most important parts of Slack because it gives you quick access to your channels, direct messages, and other tools. As you use Slack more often, this sidebar becomes your main navigation area, so it's worth getting comfortable with it early on. Now let's talk about channels. Channels are organized spaces for specific topics, departments, or projects, which helps keep team communication clear and focused. Public channels are marked with a hash symbol and can usually be viewed by everyone in the workspace. Private channels show a lock symbol and are limited to selected members. If you need to create a new channel, simply click the plus icon next to channels and follow the prompts. For more private communication, use direct messages. These are great for one-on-one conversations or small group chats that don't need to happen in a public channel. To send one, scroll to the direct messages section in the sidebar, click on a teammate's name, and begin typing your message. As conversations grow, threads become especially useful. Instead of posting a separate message into a busy channel, hover over a message and choose the reply in thread option. This keeps related replies grouped together and makes channels much easier to follow. While hovering over messages, you can also add emoji reactions. These are a quick and simple way to acknowledge updates without adding extra messages. Slack also makes file sharing easy. You can drag and drop documents or images directly into the message area, or use the plus button near the text box to attach files, share links, or record a short voice or video clip. This helps keep important resources right alongside the conversation. Finally, adjust your status and notifications to match your work style. Click your profile picture to update your status, mark yourself as away, or pause notifications when you need uninterrupted focus time. Now you have all the essential skills to navigate Slack and collaborate smoothly with your team.